With the models of the ID family, Volkswagen continues to drive forward its electrification campaign and in parallel is launching an entirely new spectrum of innovative hybrid drive systems for its established product range. With 3 new eTSI engines, 48-volt mild hybrid, and 2 new plug-in hybrid drives, Golf eHybrid and Golf GTE, the Golf is now the Volkswagen model line with the most diverse hybrid spectrum. Together with the new all-electric ID.3, for which there will be 3 different battery sizes, Volkswagen will therefore offer one of the most systematically electrified compact class vehicle ranges in the world. Already on the market, the new Golf 1.0 eTSI with 110 PS and the Golf 1.5 eTSI generating 150 PS, powered by the brand's first 48-volt mild hybrid drive eTSI. Both engines are as efficient as they are powerful, and thanks to an additional electric boost, they offer an extraordinary good performance when accelerating. A further 48-volt mild hybrid version will be added in 2020. A 7-speed dual-clutch gearbox is always on board as standard. All Golf eTSI models will be available to order in the Lifestyle and R-Line equipment versions.